Robert, what do you have this week? I mean, we'll go over it at the end there, but for anybody who's not coming over from CommyTube, come on over from CommyTube, people. But what do you have this week?
Oh, we got the big Amos Miller argument. He's the Amish farmer the state of Pennsylvania is trying to shut down. His case will be heard in the morning in the Commonwealth Court, but they're locating their hearings in the Allegheny County Courthouse. They issued a detailed order about, reminding people they cannot rebroadcast. There will be a YouTube channel where you can listen in, but that will be the only place. There's no rebroadcasting allowed of any kind. That probably raises its own constitutional issues, but that will be another issue for another day. Made clear nobody can bring phones in, nobody can bring have any shirts that say anything on them. They seem to be obsessed with that, to be honest with you. It was a bit of a peculiar order, but this is the same Commonwealth Court that just tried to change the election rules to favor Democrats in Pennsylvania. So am I confident that we'll get a fair, impartial hearing from unprejudiced judges? No, I'm not. We'll see what happens. But you can support Amos Miller's got a pumpkin pie fundraiser to help support all the different legal costs that he has had to incur in these years of harassment by the state of Pennsylvania and the Biden administration. And maybe the election will resolve some things down the road. But in the interim, they're trying to shut him down. So you can go out to AmosMillerOrganicFarm.com and get what you want today, because who knows whether it's available in a week, depending on what the Commonwealth Court decides to do. The law is quite crystal clear. The ruling of a prior Commonwealth Court judge, the ruling of the trial court judge, is the state does not have the legal authority or the constitutional power to shut down and prohibit a farmer from making his food accessible to willing, informed customers outside the state of Pennsylvania. But this is a Commonwealth Court that twice had to be overturned by a Democratic Supreme Court in Pennsylvania because they tried to change the rules to help Democrats in the election. This is a Commonwealth Court that has illegally imprisoned farm workers on Amish farms. So we'll see what happens. I get 7.5 minutes to make arguments. So we'll see how that goes on Tuesday.
Unbelievable. All right. I'll be listening, Robert, for sure.